Have you ever wondered if a good medium being the key word there, can communicate with any spirit that they so want? The answer gets a little bit complicated. So, if this is something that you have been asking, then guess what? Stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing with you not just the answer, I'm going to give you some insights that you probably didn't know. If you're new to the channel, my name is Psychic Medium Jordan Coburn, and I can prove with evidence, my friends, with evidence of the afterlife. I've helped thousands of people on this earth plane to once again be able to reach out and contact their loved ones in spirit from the understandings and the teachings, and now it's your turn. Each and every one of you can become great mediums. In here at Help Heal Serve, we can give you the very foundations that you so need and desire to help you along your mediumship path. Not to mention, we have the loving and supporting Help Heal Serve family. I'd like to say a big massive thank you to each and every one of you who like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Remember to let us know down in the comment section if there's anything that you liked about this video, anything that you didn't like about this video, and anything that you want to know more of. Thank you to all of the channel members also, and let's get into this. Big shock, surprise, horror. Wouldn't it be great if you could do a mediumship reading and communicate with any spirit that you want? In those moments, for evidential purposes, wouldn't it be great as a medium to just go into a reading and be able to bring forward evidence of the afterlife? Well, that's exactly what you do as a medium. For example, let's take myself for an example. I can do a mediumship reading and bring forward any spirit I like. Any spirit is going to come to you, and ask yourself the question, why is it you think a spirit would come to me in those moments? Is it because A, I'm special? Is it because B, I'm gifted? Or do you think it could be C, because they want to bring forward that evidence? The spirit world is about the evidence. It's about proving the message that life goes on. This isn't the end. A lot of you will see the life that you are living, and whilst yes, a lot of you are going to have tribulations going on, a lot of you are going to have problems within your worlds, and you might think that it's the end, and this is just the constant grind. It's once this is finished, and once all of the hardships are endured, then that's it. That's just the problem is no. Everything that you are going through in this life is going to be mirrored into your spiritual evolution. For example, this soul, when it returns back to spirit, all of the hardships, all of the things, emotional turmoil that you've overcome, all of the different things that you've had to endure, it becomes part of you spiritually. You, as a medium, if you have a good understanding, can communicate with any spirit. There is no such thing as spirits who take longer to communicate back than others. There is no such thing as trapped souls. There is no such thing as spirits needing a waiting time before they can communicate with you. You as a person, and as a medium, depending on where you are at, if you have some fundamental flaws within your development, i.e., you haven't dealt with the grieving process, this could be hindering your ability to connect. But that's not because that's the way things are. That's just because the way things are for you. A lot of people who can prove of evidence from the spirit world any given moment, any given time, any given place. And this is what you all have to realize. This is what your primary focus should be. This is where each and every one of you should be putting your mindset to wanting to strive to achieve for that perfection in those readings. A lot of people, right, will have a cop out and they'll be like, oh, well, Jordan, it just doesn't work like that for me. And I've done everything that you've said, but I just think that the spirit world are on holiday. I actually seen a tutor who told people that the spirit world sometimes won't come through because they're on holiday. What do you mean the spirit world are on holiday? Their energy, they're with you now in the moment. And then they didn't like it when I challenged them on it, because I asked, what do you mean the spirit world on holiday? And then they seen who I was and they were like, oh, you just, sometimes it doesn't work for me. That is the correct answer. Sometimes it doesn't work for you. But because sometimes it doesn't work for you, that doesn't mean to say sometimes it won't work for other people. That's because you as a person haven't ironed out your fundamental flaws as a human being. a lot of people will have knowledge gaps, and rather than dealing with them, the instant go-to for mankind is, instead of being wrong in those moments and accepting that you don't know how to connect, we see that the spirit world aren't there. They're on holiday. They've got better things to do. Mark my words, if you are doing a mediumistic reading and in front of you, you have a loved one and the spirit world want to communicate with that individual, do you think that your loved ones in spirit would be like, oh, hang on, no, I don't want to speak. I'm just going to choose a better time. There is no better time. The fact that it has been manufactured for a medium to be sat in front of you, that is the right time to speak. I know a lot of you might not fully agree with that, and I know there's going to be a lot of people who are egotistically driven out there who will say that that's not the case. However, I can prove that is the case with evidence. There are many other people as well who can prove it, but you will get individuals who will say, the spirit world takes 6 weeks to transition. My God. What on earth? Where did you put down them books? Start working with the... And this is where a lot of it comes from, you know. A lot of it comes from books. A lot of it comes from the teachings of man. And these dilutions and pollutions form part of your processes due to them being introduced into books. And that's why I've always said from day one, I don't follow mankind's ridiculous notions or theories. I don't need to. I don't get my information from books. The information that you get from me, you won't find on this planet. I get it straight from spirit. And whilst a lot of you might go, well, how do you know it's right? Well, because I can prove it works. You're watching my video. There's a reason why you've been brought to me. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, remember to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know down in the comment section if there's anything that you didn't understand, anything that you would like to revisit on a different video. If you did enjoy this video, check out the videos pinned at the top left and right. And until the next time, bye-bye for now.